3, 2, 1. Be careful, don't pop it.
This is actually really easy.
Oh
It just crumbled. Finally, after 2 years, I get it on my first solve, or 1.5. After 18 months. Whoa! Yes! 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 What are you about to do? Oh, we are now done for the day, as you can see. Yes!
8 seconds. Yeah. 8 seconds. Yeah! Yeah! Oh my god, what the? Yeah! Yeah! Oh my god, what the hell?
Ready.
8 seconds.
Of course I was going to have parody. You saw that?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Well, you want to sub 1.
12.
Oh no! That would have been sub 1. No! What did you have to do?
8 seconds.
Finally! Oh, finally! Yes! PR2. What have you created, Mr. Miller? Oh, I'm getting A+ on that. Don't even question it. Alright, Ted wants me to... We're all fooling around in the playground. I broke my entire...
Alright, let's see if that worked. Ooh! Very good. I think it needs a bit more.
114. Yeah! Alright, let me show you my solution to this. Alright, let's clean that up. Oh! Let's go!
Oh!
Oh! That was perfect! Oh, that was clean!
Did you beat me? That's good.
Hello.
He knew it was gonna come.
Oh, I see your PR and you instantly... What? Oh my god! What? What? Yeet! Someone's hit the light. Yeah! Let's go. Oh, wait, was there another one? Oh my god. Go on, do it. Second place. Oh.
Phoenix, I have a present for you.
Coconut, no way. Yes!
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, what the hell is this? Yes!
Oh, what is that?
That's 2
What
point.
the-
That's 2.3.
2.24.
132 and point.
0.92.
If the phone falls, then it's game over. I'm smacking this. Alright, sure. Just don't hit me. Jesus. Oh, who's the I think we're done. Thank you, everybody. Hey, that's a good.
8 seconds.
I'm gonna need an E1. Bro, I literally had the exact same ZB.
Like, got a really good start.
Oh, you're kidding me.
As soon as
I counted to 5.
as soon as I stopped the timer and I looked up, you only had like 1 tail. 9 seconds.
Yes! Yes! Two counting 5s. Yeah, look, I need to do that better. Yeah.
Phoenix Patterson. Oh, massive solve. That's the fastest solve we've seen in the finals so far. Yep, we've got Phoenix at station 1 with a 137 as he goes. And it's a 157. Here we go, Phoenix Patterson.
It's 1.40.
And
Let's go.
He jumps up. He is
No.
that's incredible. Here we go. Last solve, station 1.
Lachlan Adams.
And he gets
Rubik.
130.
Oh, there he goes.
There you
That's
go.
going to give him a 1.
Ah, that's fine. Connor! Group hug, group hug. Someone hold on to my water bottles. No, group hug. Yeah. My water bottle. Aaron could podium.
And takes second place, 1.85 personal record average, but in first place,
Amazing.
comfortably, Phoenix Patterson
You're
with a 1.37 average. Champions for 2x2, leaving 3x3. The last,
one more.
the best.
Our final event today.